Last month we made the viral Trader Joe's carrot cake latte, and the second I saw Trader Joe's drop this new whipped strawberry cream cheese spread, I literally ran into Trader Joe's because I knew exactly what I wanted to make. We are making a Trader Joe's strawberry latte. Start with your espresso of choice. I used the Nescafe. I also added in a little less than a tablespoon of brown sugar. You do it to taste. Set that aside. Now get some freeze-dried strawberries. I should have showed you this first. First, give it one or two pulses. Take out about a tablespoon of the broken pieces, the smaller pieces, and then pulse the rest to a powder. Now let's get our 1 tablespoon of the whipped cream cheese spread into a jar with 3 to 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of that powdered freeze-dried strawberry. Give that a good frothing. Now let's assemble our coffee. Get some ice into that espresso. Put in your milk of choice. And then let's give it a nice little stir. And we will top it off with our absolutely beautiful and delicious whipped strawberry cold foam. So amazingly delicious. I can't even begin to tell you. I spent days working on this recipe to perfect the flavor of that cold foam. Put those little strawberry pieces on the top, the freeze-dried strawberries. You have one of the most delicious, better than coffee shop quality strawberry latte. Trader Joe's never fails us. I absolutely love this. Highly recommend. Give it a try, and let's even make this go viral like the carrot cake latte. Let's do it.